Welcome to our exploration of kinetic concepts in biomechanics. To analyze human motion, we need precise tools to measure kinetic quantities. Two main types of instrumentation are commonly used: force plates and pressure platforms, which are installed flush with the floor and connected to computers for data collection. These platforms can capture the forces exerted during movement, providing valuable insights into biomechanics. In addition, portable systems like instrumented shoes, shoe inserts, and thin transducers offer flexibility for field studies and real-world applications. These tools help researchers and clinicians understand how forces interact with the human body, leading to better injury prevention, performance enhancement, and rehabilitation strategies. Let's take a closer look at these instruments and see how they lay the foundation for deeper biomechanical analysis. Now let's dive into the basics of vector algebra, which is essential for analyzing motion. In biomechanics, we often deal with two types of quantities: vectors and scalars. Vectors have both magnitude and direction, making them perfect for describing forces, velocities, and accelerations. Scalars, on the other hand, only have magnitude. Think of quantities like mass or temperature. Understanding the difference between these two is crucial, as it determines how we approach calculations and problem-solving in biomechanics. As we move forward, keep in mind that vectors allow us to represent complex movements and interactions, while scalars provide important supporting information. Next, we'll see how vectors can be combined and resolved to simplify our analysis. Let's explore how vectors are combined in biomechanics. Vector composition is the process of determining a single resultant vector from two or more vectors. If the vectors point in the same direction, we simply add their magnitudes. When they point in opposite directions, we subtract their magnitudes. The tip-to-tail method is a visual way to combine vectors. You place the tail of one vector at the tip of another, and the resultant vector stretches from the tail of the first to the tip of the last. This method is especially useful for visualizing forces acting on the body. By mastering vector composition, we can break down complex force systems into simpler components, making our analysis more manageable. Up next, we'll see how to resolve vectors into perpendicular components. Now let's talk about vector resolution, a powerful tool in biomechanics. Vector resolution is the process of breaking a single vector into two perpendicular components, usually along the horizontal and vertical axes. This allows us to analyze the effects of forces in different directions separately. For example, when studying a jump, we can resolve the force into upward and forward components. Vectors can be resolved graphically by drawing lengths proportional to their magnitudes, or trigonometrically using mathematical formulas. Both methods help us approximate or precisely calculate the original vector's effect. Mastering vector resolution enables us to tackle complex biomechanical problems with confidence, ensuring accurate analysis of human movement.